Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to fix database connection error in WordPress website. Here you can see this error comes when database is not correctly connected into me. So let's see how it works. First of all, we need to log in into our hosting account so that we can log in into the cPanel. Here you can see we are logged in into the cPanel. Just go to the file manager. But before that we need to create a database. Here you can see we have 29 databases out of 30. First of all, we need to create database. Click here my SQL databases, then here you can see these are all the databases that are created. If you want to create a new database, just give a name. For example, I want to give then click here create database. You can give any name. Here you can see database has been added. Now scroll down and we need to create a user. Just add a username. After that, here you can add a password. Then click create user. So we have created database and user. Now we need to connect database with user. Just go back and after that scroll down. Here you can see we need to select user from this list. After that, database name. So this is the database name and this is the username. Just click here add. After that select, then click on make changes. After connecting database with users, now we need to add this database in website. Let's go back to the cPanel. After that scroll down. Here you can find out file manager. Here you can see. After that select the website. Here you can see these are all the websites that are added. Now just right click on wp-config.php. Just add it. After that here you can see just we need to add database details here. Just copy database user and add here in database user. After that copy the database name. Then copy that database password and add here. Then click on save changes. Here you can see we have saved config.php file. Let's refresh the website. Here you can see we got WordPress installation message. Just click here and after that fill out these details. For example, my blog. After that add username, password and email. Then just click on install WordPress. Here you can see WordPress has been installed. You can see the website on the front end.